Our story for today is the fiery furnace.
I lay my life down at your feet. You're the only one I need. I turn to you and you are always there. In troubled times it's you I seek. I put you first, that's all I need. I humble all I am, all to you. One way, Jesus, you're the only one that I could live for. One way, Jesus, you're the only one that I could live for. You're the only one, you're the only one, you're the only one that I could live for. You're the only one, you're the only one, you're the only one that I could live for. You were always, always there, every how and everywhere. Your grace abounds so deeply within me. You will never ever change. Yesterday, today, the same. Forever till forever meets no end. One way, Jesus, you're the only one that I could live for. One way, Jesus, you're the only one that I could live for. One way, Jesus, you're the only one that I could live for. One way, Jesus, you're the only one that I could live for. Are you having fun? Well, what we're gonna do now is we're all gonna get down nice and low. That's it. How low can you go? And we're gonna sing, "You are the way, the truth, and the life." Come on, let me hear ya. You are the way, the truth, and the life. We live by faith and not by sight. For you, we're living all for you. Up a bit higher. You are the way, the truth, and the life. We live by faith and not by sight. For you, we're living all for you. You are the way. You are the way, the truth, and the life. We live by faith and not by sight. For you, we're living all for you. You are the way, the truth, and the life. We live by faith and not by sight. For you, we're living all for you. One way, Jesus, you're the only one that I could live for. One way, Jesus, you're the only one that I could live for. One way, Jesus, you're the only one that I could live for. One way, Jesus, you're the only one that I could live for. Come on!
Our story for today is the fiery furnace, found in Daniel chapter 3. Long time ago, the king of Babylon wanted everyone to know that he was in charge. So he had a huge gold statue made. Everyone had to bow down and worship it. But the three young Jewish men will not bow down. "What?" the king yelled. "Bring them to me." The three men were brought to the king. "Is it true that you will not bow down to my statue?" "Yes," they answered. "If you will not bow down, you will be thrown into a fiery furnace." But the three men said, "God can protect us from the fiery furnace. But even if he does not, we will not bow down to your statue." The king yelled, "Throw them into the furnace!" The guards tied up the three men and threw them into the furnace. It was so hot that some of the guards were killed by the heat. But the king saw an amazing thing in the fire. "I see 4 men there. They aren't tied up, and one looks like a god." God had sent an angel to protect the 3 men. Men of God, come out of there, the king said. The three men were named Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. They came out. They were not hurt, and they did not even smell like smoke. The king was so amazed that he praised God. Question: who protected the three men from fiery furnace? God sent his angel to protect Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. God will protect us from any harm. We should remain faithful to Him. The end.
It's game time! Okay, ang game natin ngayon ay Bible Quiz B. Okay, sanay na ba kayo ng ganong game at contest? Okay, so yun ang gagawin natin ngayon. At ating contestant ngayon ay si Ate Katie! At yung isa pa nating contestant ay si Ate Danda! Yay! O, diba? Ang gaganda ng mga contestants natin ngayon. Manang-mana sa akin. Okay. Kaya, sige, magsisimula tayo sa ating game. Ang rule lang natin, ipapakita ninyo answers ninyo, yung paper na may letter A at yung paper na letter B. Pakita nyo nga yung papers nyo. Asan ang mga papers nyo? Ayan, yan lang ang isasagot ninyo, either A or B. Okay? Maliwanag ba, kids?
Yes!
Alright, let's start! Okay, number 1. Question number 1. What is the name of the king in the story? Letter A, King Nebuchadnezzar. And letter B, King Xerxes. Show your answer! 1, 2, and 3. Ang sagot nila ay parehas letter A. Kaya ang tamang sagot. The answer is King Nebuchadnezzar, letter A. Hey, parehas silang tama. Very good. Okay, question number 2. Yan. What are the names of Daniel's friends? Letter A, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Letter B, Ezekiel, Isaiah, and Jeremiah. Show your answers. 1, and 2, and 3. Parehas na naman sila ng sagot. Okay, ano kaya ang tamang sagot natin? The correct answer is Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Letter A. Yay! Ang ganda. Parehas na sagot. Walang kopyahan. Okay. Yan. Next. Question number 3. Okay. Daniel's friends were thrown in the letter A, lion's den. Letter B, fiery furnace. Show your answers. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, magkaiba sila ng answer ngayon. Si Kate ay B, si Dana ay A. So, what's the correct answer? Fiery furnace. So, ang tamang sagot ay letter B. Tama si Kate. Okay. So, ang sagot natin ay 3 si Kate, 2 kay Dana. Tingnan natin. Para sa next question, kung makakasagot sila ng tama. Question number 4. What rule did Daniel and his friends disobey? Letter A, they did not bow down and worship the golden statue. Letter B, they did not bow down and worship the king. Show your answer. 1, 2, 3. Oh, magkaiba na naman sila ng sagot. B, si Kate, A, si Dana. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot? They did not bow down and worship the golden statue. So, ang tamang sagot ay si Dana. Letter A. Yay! Wow, naghahabulan sila. Naghahabulan sila. 3. Okay, isa na lang. Sino kaya? Okay, ang mananalo. Ayan, last question. Okay. Inside the fiery furnace, they saw letter A, man. Letter B, animal. Show your answer. 1, 2, 3. Oh, parehas na naman sila ng sagot. Nagbulungan ba kayo? Okay, dahil ang tamang sagot ay letter A. Nakakita sila ng parang tao doon. Tatlo lang sila. Kaya lahat kayong dalawa ay nakakuha ng 4. So, it's a tie! Yay! So, kayo mga kids na nanonood dyan, tama rin ba kayo sa mga questions natin? I hope tama rin kayo. Thank you for joining our Bible Quiz Bee. Goodbye! Thank you, Dan and Kate.
God we serve is able to save us. Daniel 3:17.
Lord, thank you po sa araw na to. Thank you po sa natutunan po namin. Protektahan niyo po kami during this pandemic po. Ingatan niyo po kami katulad po ng ginawa niyo sa tatlong mga lalaki. Surround niyo po kami ng angels at protektahan niyo po kami always. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.